Welcome to New England and its beautiful fall foliage season. One of the best ways to enjoy it is by comfortable train coaches on excursions out of Meredith, New Hampshire. Train excursion departs on various dates on weekends in September and October. This route is traveled only during fall foliage season, so sit back and in our comfy coaches and enjoy the fall scenery. You will pass several small lakes on your climb to Livermore Falls, located in the White Mountains region. The highlight of the trip is located inside the Common Men Resort in Plymouth. Here you will depart for over an hour to enjoy a hot buffet lunch which is included in your tour price. After lunch, we will reboard the train waiting right beside the restaurant's parking lot. There are 3 classes of service on this train. Coach class, which gives you a comfortable seat in one of our 2 coaches. Or first class, which entitles you to ride the Cold Harbor Pullman car. With a limit of 16 passengers, included is your own car steward, and you sit in comfortable couches and chairs. Next is President's class, which puts you in a Pullman rail car fit for a railroad baron. President of the bank or in the Loose Railroad. It features couches and soft easy chairs, a piano, a private car steward, and of course special snacks and treats along the way. This car is limited to about 30 passengers and includes climate control, 120-volt electric service, and a full private flushing toilet. These 2 Pullman cars get reserved very early, and on some days are sold out. Please read the complete descriptions on the website below. Reservations can be made online at any time of the day. This is a rite of passage for many, as the spectacular New Hampshire scenery attracts passengers from all 50 states, and also foreign visitors to Boston. Come, join us on a truly unique experience on your own train, with several station stops along the way for a look at some of the quaint New England Railroad history. We look forward to your visit, and we guarantee it to be the best experience in New Hampshire during fall foliage season.